Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can remove FRP lock from any latest Vivo mobile and Android version 11 very easily without PC and software box. Okay, and guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe and share this video with your friends. As you can see, I have a Vivo Y20G mobile in my hand and it's FRP locked. Okay, so today I will show you how to remove Google Lock or FRP lock from any latest Vivo mobile very easily. First of all, select country, language and connect Wi-Fi network. Okay. As you can see, the phone was reset to factory setting. To use this phone, enter your previous pattern or Google account. Okay, simply you need a PUK lock enable SIM card. Okay, PUK lock enable SIM card. And just insert it. Okay, and simply remove it. Just remove it and press power button now. Okay, you will see Android setup not sign in. Swipe left or swipe down, no problem. Swipe left, sorry, or you can see settings icon, just tap on it. Then you can see manage, just tap on manage and here scroll down, tap on see all from last 7 days. Now find out here Android setup, or you can tap here choose most recent, then Android setup. Okay, tap on it and tap here. Now scroll down, select browser app and here search button, just tap here and write here settings. Okay, now scroll down at the last settings app info, tap on it and open. Okay, now tap on open. Okay, first of all go to application and app info. Now Android setup, force stop, just stop it. Now back and again back. Now go to shortcut and accessibility. Okay, simply now at the last accessibility menu, enable it. Hello, got it. Okay, now go back again back and here go to apps and notification. Now app info, scroll down, you will see Google Play service. Okay, Google Play service, disable Google Play service. Okay, it's done. Now go back, again back, okay. Now simply set up again. When you see getting your or copy apps and data, simply go back, and here connect to Wi-Fi. You will see setup offline, continue, and next set unlock method. You will see skip, just tap on skip, more, next, and skip again, skip here, use now, and simply now enable the Android setup or Google Play service from settings. Okay, apps, see all apps, Google Play service, you need to enable it. Okay, and also you can enable Android setup or disable accessibility. That means go to settings and accessibility. Okay, shortcut and accessibility, and accessibility, then accessibility menu, disable it, and guys, it's done. As you can see, it was very easy to bypass Google account lock from any latest Vivo mobile, okay, with Android version 11. And guys, this was the video tutorial for today. Thank you watching for this video. I will see you the next one. Please take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.